Need an air conditioning solution that performs reliably in Byford? Gildan Air Electrical delivers professional air conditioning installations. Byford homeowners trust for consistent comfort, controlled energy use, and long-term system stability. We provide residential and commercial air conditioning installations designed around property size, layout, insulation levels, and real cooling demand. Every system is correctly sized, professionally installed, and electrically compliant to support efficient operation through Byford's high summer temperatures. Our services cover split systems, ducted air conditioning, inverter technology, and replacement upgrades, all delivered with structured workmanship and clear installation standards. Proper airflow, zoning accuracy, and electrical integration are prioritised to reduce running costs and prevent early system failure. If your current system struggles to cool evenly, runs constantly, or drives up power bills, professional installation makes the difference. For more information or to request a quote, visit www.gildanaerelectrical.com.au or call 0428 889 2229.